Okay, in this video, I will share to all of you about how to make Scandinavian modern mansion house in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic shape with using the rectangle. We can click from the origin and drag to the another position in here. The dimension of the site is around 40 meter and 60 meter approximately. And now we can make the basic plane in here. We can make the basic plane. Okay, with using the rectangle, we can create the plane in here. Okay, and we can make the another meshing in here, and then for the another meshing in here also. Okay, and after that we can click this surface and push it up around 5 meter and enter. Okay, then we can erase the unnecessary line. We can push the surface in here approximately 4 meter, enter, and we can push it around 4 meter also. Okay, now we can draw the middle line with using line. Okay, and then we can click this line and select move and move it up until the position in here. Okay, and now we can push in to the left side a little bit around 7 meter, and also the surface push it to the right side around 7 meter and enter. Okay, and then we can select the object, then we can duplicate, tap control and place to this position like this, and we can duplicate again and place to this position. Okay, and then we can close this empty space in here with select this line, select move and place to this position, and also this one we can select move, place to this position. Okay, and also this one. Okay, we can check the meshing in here and all is well. Okay, and after that we can make the glazing area of the on the Scandinavian house in here. There is a 3 meshing of Scandinavian house, so we can make the every single glazing in here. We can click this line by select the line and press shift, and we can click this offset and offset it inside around 400 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, tap control, click this line and place to this position, and then we can type / and enter. Okay, now we can move the line in here. We can extend the line in for every single line in here. Okay, like this, and we can do the another meshing again. We can select the line like this, and then we can offset. We can offset with offset tool around 400 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, tap control and place to this position, and then we can type / and enter. Okay, then we can move to the upper position. Okay, and draw the line like this, and also we have to select this line and offset it inside 400 millimeter and click this line, select move, tap control, click to this position, then we can type / and enter also, and also extend the line, extend the existing line like this with the way. We can draw the another line in again. Okay, and then we can make the another glazing area, especially in here. We can click this line and select move, tap control. Okay, we can select this line and select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can click this line and select move, tap control and place to this position. Then we can type / and enter. And again, okay, we can select this line, select move, tap control, here, /and enter. Okay, and after that we can make the another materials to make it more representative. We can use the roofing. We can select the red roofing in here first. Select this. Okay. Okay, and after that we can make the saturation of the roofing in here to make it more dark. And now we can select the color to assign the color, or we can select the black color. We can select the black color in here to assign to be this area. Okay, then we can select the another materials like a cladding in here. Okay, so you can modify it. You can modify for the backside of this tiny house, and I will show you about the front face Scandinavian house in here. I'm sorry. Okay, and it's done, and you can also make the another roof garden area. You can set the landscaping in here. You can make the exploration of the roof garden, and we can make the another decking in here. Okay, we can make the another decking. Okay, then we can push it down, and we can push it down about the decking. Okay, now we can set the cladding. Okay, and then we can setting about this swimming pool, mini swimming pool in here. Okay, now we can select the swimming pool materials of this Scandinavian house, in Sketchup. Okay, we can select the water, and it's done. Okay, then we can set the perimeter of the swimming pool with the concrete materials like this. Okay, we can add more swimming pool again, mini swimming pool. Okay, we can assign the color over there, and now we can assign the materials with using tile or landscape. Okay, just like this, and now we can make the another vegetation. Anyway, I've already prepared for the palm tree that I download from the 3D warehouse. Then we can copy and place it to this appropriate position, especially on near the pool in here. Okay, it's been like this, and then we can add more component. We can add the silhouette people. We can add the silhouette people in here and also in here to make it more representative. And we can also change the style about this Scandinavian tiny house. And anyway, we can also assign the another materials for the middle meshing in here, so it will make more variative like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.